We are back in our science lecture, and today we are going to start with our new chapter, which is air and water. So both air and water are very important for human beings and animals and all the living beings to survive on earth. So now let us see what we are going to learn from the chapter. We are going to see that air and water are important for all living things. Yes, as I mentioned before, air and water both are the important elements which are useful for living things. And what are the things that we are going to learn in the chapter? Firstly, we are going to see what is air and its uses. Then we are going to see different forms of water. And lastly, we are going to see the process of water cycle. So let us start with air and its uses. So air is present all around us. Yes. We cannot see air but we can feel it. Yes, we cannot see air but we can feel it. And air also consists of many gases, smoke, water vapor, dust and germs. So air is form of all these elements, the different types of gases, then water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. This all together forms the air. Living things need air to breathe and be alive. Yes, so we humans, animals as well as plants, they all breathe in air. Plants need air to make their food. And there are other uses of air around us. So, for plants, the main use of air is to make their food. And let us see what are the other uses of air. So, firstly, air helps birds to fly. And other things which fly are aeroplanes, parachute, hot air balloons. Yes, so air helps in flying. First use of air is it helps in flying. Then secondly, air is filled in tires, is filled in footballs, balloons. Yes, to give a definite shape. Means if you have to give a proper shape to an object, we can fill in air. So this is the second use, that air is used in filling and giving a definite shape to the object. Now the third is light objects like bits of paper, kites and dry leaves fly in the air. Yes, we fly kites, then small papers and leaves, they also fly in the air. So we can see some examples of the uses of air. So it uses birds to fly, we fill in air and we fly kites in the air. Yes. Now, smoke and dust make the air dirty. Yes, smoke and dust are the part of air, but they make the air dirty. Yes. When we breathe dirty air, we fall ill. So, what will help us? Trees. Trees help to keep the air clean. Therefore, we should plant more and more trees to take care of them. So, the air is consist of smoke and dust. But to remove this smoke and dust, who is going to help? Trees. Trees are going to purify the air. So, we need to plant more and more trees and we should stop cutting trees and we should plant as many as trees as possible. So it will help us to breathe in clean air. Yes. So students, now rest of the chapter we are going to continue in the next lecture. Bye bye.